Welcome back sa ating part 2. Ito yung continuation ng lesson natin sa week 2. And our objective, determine sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. So, mag-review muna tayo. Paano natin masasabi that the given is an arithmetic sequence? So, just subtract the sequence from right going to the left. We can see 13 minus 11 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, what is the common difference? D is equal to 2. So, therefore, it is an arithmetic sequence. So, ito naman, finding the common difference in different way. So, ano yung example nito? If the third term in the arithmetic sequence is 11 and the 15th term is 47, what is the common difference? So, nakita nyo kanina, napakadali para makuha yung common difference. Just subtract the sequence from right going to the left. So, paano naman kung magkalayo yung given na sequence? So, we have the third term and the 15th term. So, hindi ka dito makakapag-subtract. All you have to do is use the slope formula. So, ayan ang ating given. Your n is equal to 3. Your a of n is 11. N is equal to 15. A of n is 47. So, hanapin na natin yung common difference. So, nagre-represent yung third saka yung fifth term ng x values. Then, yung y values naman, 11 and 47. Okay, so para nga natin ma-solve yung ating common difference, so we have to use the slope formula for our step 1. Ano man ba yung slope formula natin? That is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or y sub 1 minus y sub 2, x sub 1 minus x sub 2. Then, after using the first step, substitute mo lang yung mga values na yan sa formula ng slope. Then, simplify. You can now have the common difference. So, try na natin. So, isolve na natin. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then, substitute natin yung mga values. Your x sub 1 is equal to 3. Y sub 1 is equal to 11, x sub 2 is equal to 15, y sub 2 is equal to 47. Then 47 minus 11 over 15 minus 3 is equal to 36 over 12. Then divide mo yon, you will have 3. So, yung common difference natin this time is 3. So, nakita nyo, kahit magkalayo yung term na given, you can be able to solve the common difference. Let us check. Our third is 11. 15 is 47. So, you can... Okay, try nyo nga ito. If the third and the 15th terms in this arithmetic sequence are 2 and negative 34 respectively, what are the first 5 terms? So, D is equal to negative 3. Your A sub 1 is 8. Then, the first 5 terms, we have 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4. Next, finding the nth term given the two terms if A sub 1 is unknown. So, ito naman yung A sub known mo. is unknown. So let's have the example 2. The 12th term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 7 and the 25th term is 6. Find the 4th term. Okay, so i-visualize natin yung ating given. Our first term is unknown. Then hinahanap mo rin yung 4th term. Then yung ating x sub 1 is 12, y sub 1 is negative 7, x sub 2 is 25, y sub 2 is 6. Substitute mo lang yun sa formula ng slope. Again, what is the slope formula? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then, yun nga, yung x sub 1 is 12, y sub 1 is negative 7, your x sub 2 is 25, then y sub 2 is 6. Simplify na natin. So, 6 minus negative 7 over 25 minus 12 equals 13 over 13. And that is equal to 1. So, D is equal to 1. Ito na yung ating common difference. Step 2. Solve A sub 1 using the arithmetic formula. So, ano ba yung arithmetic formula natin again? A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So, you can use any of the given pairs and you can get the same answer. So, kahit anong pair ang gamitin mo dyan, the same answer you will get. So, gagamit tayo ng first pair natin, yung A sub n is 6 and n is equal to 25. So, you have 6 for your A sub n. So, 25 yung n mo. And yung di mo nakuha kanina is 1. So, after mo mag-substitute ng mga values, you can now simplify. Unahin mo yung nasa parenthesis, 25 minus 1. And that is 24. Times 1 mo, 24 pa rin. Then, you're looking for your A sub 1. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Okay, magma-minus 24 ka ng right side sa left side ng equation. So, magsisiro yung nasa right side mo, matitira na yung A sub 1. Then, 6 minus 24, that is negative 18. Okay, we have now your A sub 1. Negative 18. Next, step 3, solve for A sub 4. Ganun pa rin, use the formula. D is equal to 1, N is equal to 4, A sub 1 is negative 18, so hinahanap natin A sub 4. Again, substitute all the values. Yung A sub n mo will become A sub 4, A sub 1 is negative 18, N is 4, then your D is 1. So, pwede ka nang mag-simplify. Unahin again yung nasa parenthesis, 4 minus 1. That is 3. Then, multiply mo yun sa 1, 3 pa rin. Then, pwede ka nang mag-add negative 18 plus 3. You will have negative 15. Ito na yung A sub 4. Okay, so let us check. Yung D natin is equal to 1. Then, yung ating given kanina, we have 12 and negative 7. Yung A sub 4 natin is negative 15. Yung ating A sub 1 is negative 18. Then, yung ating 25th term is 6. Okay, find the 11th term in the arithmetic sequence if A sub 2 is equal to 9 and A sub 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so ito naman, finding the position of the term where n is unknown. So we have the example. In the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, which term is 401? So i-visualize natin. Yung ating first term is 5, second term is 9, third term is 13, fourth term is 17, so nth term is 401. So ano yung pang ilan dito ang 401? So we're looking for the position. How to solve this? So identify muna natin yung common difference. And that is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, so we're looking for the unknown. That is, so isolve na natin. Substitute natin yung mga values. 401. Ito yung term mo na hinahanap. Pang ilan ba itong 401? Your a sub n. Then your a sub 1 is 5. Then you're looking for the unknown. That is n minus 1. At yung d mo is 4. So after mo mag-substitute ng mga values, i-simplify mo muna yung nasa parenthesis. That is n times 4 negative 1 times 4. So your answer is 4n minus 4. Then after nun, yung 4 mo at yung 5, you have to combine or you can subtract it. 5 minus 4. So pagsasamahin mo yung parehong numbers. And your answer is 1. Okay. Then, you have to subtract 1 to both sides of the equation. So, minus 1 sa kanan, to the right side, magsisiro yon. Then, minus 1 sa kaliwa, to the left side. So, your answer is 400. Then, 400 is equal to 4n. So, gagamit ka na ng DPE, division property of equality. Divide both sides by 4. So, matitira na yung n value mo. Then, 400 over 4, your answer is 100. So, therefore, yung 401 mo ay pang 100 sa arithmetic sequence. Now, in the arithmetic sequence, 5, 9, 13, 17, which is 397. Okay, try nyo naman. Okay, you can try this. In the arithmetic sequence, 5, 9, 13, 17, which is 397. So, ibig sabihin, pang ilan ba itong 397? Okay, so thank you for watching our lesson. So, sana may natutuhan pa rin tayo. So, doon na tayo sa pangatlong part for the continuation of week 2.